This is the 200s that we're going to be putting the fork on. Something I got in a little fender bender, I guess. Bent the handlebar and the fork. Somebody try to straighten it with a hammer up here, but we'll make her nice again.
When I seen you and what you had, I didn't hesitate.
So last time we pulled one of these off, this nut was stuck pretty bad. We had to put some lubricant on it, heat it with a torch. Hopefully today, this spanner nut will come off easy. Oh, looky there.
Yeah.
This one's a lot better shape.
I don't do that. My other one.
A lot better shape than the last one.
Sure.
That is the ball bearings
Okay,
that can get lost and fall down.
Okay.
And so, yeah, like BBs. So you get your handy dandy magnet.
Okay.
That's your mama BB gun.
Boy, I'm glad I'm here watching. Well, what do you do about the bottom ones?
That's what you're gonna catch.
Dang, that wasn't that bad.
Nope. Pretty
I sure
simple.
hope mine goes a lot better.
Throw them back to the